Blizzard teases more Overwatch in Heroes of the Storm. It seems Tracer will not be the only Overwatch character to arrive in the Nexus. Tracer, the character from the popular game Overwatch, is the first from the team-based shooters roster to arrive in its sister game Heroes of the Storm in April, which is 1 month before Overwatch has been released to the public. Heroes of the Storm is Blizzard's answer to the multiplayer online battle arena MOBA craze hitting the world, adding characters from its core franchises WarCraft, StarCraft and Diablo in a cross-universe spectacle that involves tactics, brutal attacks and amazing spells. Tracer, on the other hand, has been fixed early in the game and has a winning rate of 50%, and is just inside the top 30 most popular heroes of the game. According to Destructoid, Blizzard's lead hero designer Kent-Erik Hagman said Tracer's addition to Heroes of the Storm is positive, given her almost militantly positive personality has brought a new voice to the otherwise war-filled Nexus. Hagman also hinted that other Overwatch additions may help make Heroes of the Storm more appealing to viewers. However, no confirmation of such plans has been seen in any form. It may be significant to note that this plan is in the making, though. However, this may also mean Blizzard might make the mistake of overwhelmingly try to cash out Overwatch and simply make Heroes of the Storm the MOBA version of the team-based shooter. The same case could be said with Nintendo's Super Smash Bros. The Wii U and 3DS game has featured famous characters from other franchises such as Cloud from Final Fantasy VI and Bayonetta from her own franchise. However, other characters such as Corrin, Lucina, Marth and Robin are from the Fire Emblem franchise. Of the 58 playable characters in Super Smash Bros., 8 has come from the Mario franchise, 5 and 6 have come from The Legend of Zelda and Pokémon, respectively, and it has come to the surprise of much gamers that another 6 has come from Fire Emblem. Knowing that Nintendo has a lot of major franchises and other more iconic games could make it to the spotlight, it may seem adding that much Fire Emblem characters into the roster is overkill.